Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create your route indicating your starting and end point on the bus simulator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the routes icon at the top of the screen. That's the fourth option. Here you are going to see a map. The cities that you have chosen in the terminal section will be indicated. So tap on your starting point and then click on the end point where you want to go. Here you can select or you can tap on the accept button if you are satisfied with your route plan. Here you can check out the kilometers and the time frame. So tap on the accept button, then click on the play button if you want to play with this game and drive on this selected route. So your selected destinations are indicated here. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.